Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Samsung Galaxy A13 soft clear cover. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Samsung Galaxy A13 soft clear cover. This one is in the transparent design. It's also available in black. And just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And at the back of the box there is some product information for this soft clear cover. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear packing tape or seals, as keeping the box lid securely closed, and just popping open the box flap and sliding the inner card tray out and tipping the rest of the contents out from its box packaging. So just making sure that there's nothing else left in the box. We can close it back up and set it to the side. So just setting it on the right hand side of the table and laying the contents out across the tabletop. So of course there is an inner card packaging, and just checking through to make sure nothing else is tucked inside. So just checking through, and of course we can recycle the packaging thoughtfully and just laying the contents out across the tabletop, so you have a full and clear view of this Samsung Galaxy A13 soft clear covers box packaging contents. And now taking a look at the booklet here. And unfolding to see the information contained inside of it. So taking a closer in look. So it appears to be some conformity information in various languages spread out across the numerous panels. So let's close it back up and set it to the side, so setting it on the left hand side of the table. As we move on to the soft clear cover itself for the Samsung Galaxy A13. And as I mentioned, this one is in the transparent design. There's also a black with a black tint. It is made out of TPU or thermoplastic polyurethane. And we can see that there appears to be a clear protective film covering the code at the bottom of the cover. So just giving you a look, as well as the flexibility and the pliability and rigidity or firmness and softness of this cover. So right there, giving you some sense of the TPU design or TPU molding and construction. And just placing my palm behind it, or placing the soft clear cover in my palm to give you some sense of its size to fit the Samsung Galaxy A13 with its 6.6-inch Full HD Plus screen. So taking some closer in looks, of course, trying to maintain focus with this transparent case to give you a look at the cutouts and overall molding of this case, so you can see the various holes and cutouts of this protective case or cover, and of course on the bottom as well, just taking a look at those cutouts. So you can see the cutouts for the 3.5mm earphone jack, microphone hole, USB-C port, and speaker. And of course, there appears to be a lanyard bar on this side, as well as the opposite side for attaching a lanyard onto. And we can see the Made in Korea molding as well, very finely molded. What may be on the inside of the case, because the outside feels perfectly smooth. So once again, the bottom of the cover and the control side with the fingerprint reader or on-off power button, as well as the up and down buttons. So giving you a look right there. And of course the camera cutout as well, or quad camera cutout. And once again giving you a sense of the softness and pliability of this TPU case. All round TPU construction. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test it by fitting a Samsung Galaxy A13 phone in it. So giving you a look at the phone on the side or by the side of the soft clear cover itself, and of course the back side as well. So right there you can see the details quite clearly. Okay, so now let's go ahead and pop it in. And just pressing down along the edges to make sure that it is snugly fitted into the soft clear case. So right there, with the Samsung Galaxy A13 fitted into the Samsung Galaxy A13 soft clear case in the transparent design. And giving you a full look. At the details right there. And of course, closer in at the back with the quad camera cutout. And of course, the cutout for the fingerprint reader, as well the up and down buttons, and to give you some sense of the response and sound, and of course the cutout as well with the fingerprint reader or scanner, and of course the microphone hole at the top. And of course the lanyard bar at the bottom, and of course the cutouts for the earphone jack, microphone hole, USB-C port, as well as the speaker. And of course the other lanyard bar right there. And once again, taking a further out look. And of course, giving you some sense of the protection offered by the case, and also worth mentioning the raised edges or lip with a consistent height running around the complete edge or border of the soft clear case. So once again, giving you some sense of the TPU's properties being rubbery and shock resistant. So that's the Samsung Galaxy A13 soft clear cover in transparent. Thanks for watching and happy protecting!